Good afternoon. This is Mike Palmer coming to you from beautiful North Carolina on this beautiful March day. We just are putting the finishing touches on this house here. This is a modified K plan done with a modern farmhouse style. So let me go show that to you. We still got some finishing touches, but we got the driveway done. Look at this beautiful driveway. The grass is just starting to come in. That bright green grass. Oh, it's really starting to look nice. Anyway, this lot, oh goodness, it was already cleared when we got here, but we ended up moving the house around a few different places. And I think we found just the right spot, but they wanted to keep a stand of trees here. And look at that beautiful old oak tree there. So, and that blooms. So I was able to keep some character on this lot. Right up here, look at this beautiful flat driveway. A little bit of hill in the front, but all this flattened out. There's beautiful work done by our friends over at Lake Norman Concrete Finishing. Now, I want to apologize for the wind here, but I got to make these videos when I can. And if you find things of value here on our videos, the like button helps get our message out. And also, if you want more content, you can always hit the subscribe button. A few things we went with here. I went with the black garage door, black doors, black windows. This is that modern farmhouse look that everybody likes so much. So you got the nice white siding, white plank siding with a gray color that's really fashionable right now. So you've got simplicity is elegance on this one. The black gutters. Now this is actually our error. We're coming back. We're putting a metal roof on there and some brackets. That needs to be fixed. But you got this nice stone water table, the flashing, and this vertical siding. We call this a board and batten siding. It's a concrete fiber board, just like the Hardy lap siding, but they've got they highlighted with the vertical board and batten here to give it some relief. And this product surrounding the windows is called Mirror Tech. It's a composite, just like this is concrete fiber board. Right there, vertical siding. See that highlights it, gives some nice relief. Anyway, black gutters with stone front porch, and we went with our signature powder coated aluminum rails. I like to put this manufactured stone with the real stone. It just really makes a nice mix. With a concrete front porch. Now we did this stone column pedestal here. We have a tapered. That's a composite, a Vipon. And it's just a cap. Inside is a 6x6 that holds all that up. And there's our Mirror Tech wrapped beam. They went with natural wood here. This will darken over time. Clear coat on it on our knotty pine tongue and groove ceiling. Now, and they did this. It's Craftsman front door, Craftsman style with the 3 lights up top and the dental mold. And I like the clear transom. That gives enough accent, but it's still obscure enough where everybody can't see into your house. Take a look down. Look at a nice curved sidewalk, the way that tapers in there. And they're going to put their own shrubs in, so we're still waiting on that. And they're going to do their own landscape, but we had to put enough around to keep the dirt from eroding away. Plus, when we have to fill in and taper in all the dirt around the sidewalk, we don't want that washing away, so that grass grew real quick and gives a nice root system to keep that dirt from washing away. Anyhow, we'll go inside, take a look here. And come inside to your right, you have the office, home office. They put that nice cabinet over there with granite. Over there, look at this. Let's look at that light fixture. That is cool on that ceiling fan. And then with the barn door here. That barn door look. Yep. We got the black rollers, going in the black and white and gray theme. It's a foil light. Now when you come here, you get the 2 bedrooms to the left with another barn door. Big fireplace, floor to ceiling with that cathedral ceiling. And we went with these cedar beams. And once again, that with a natural cedar, just like unstained porch ceilings. And they have a rough-hewn cedar mantle, unfinished as well. But you see this whole house plan is nice and open. Your kitchen, dining room, and you've got this double door out to the deck. Now on the deck, they got a PVC deck. It says for the price of wood these days, it's almost worth going with the PVC. Maintenance free forever. and the railings, and that's an Easy Breeze screen system. You can see you can close it like a Four Seasons room. And up there they got a transom window into the dining area, which lets in a lot of natural light, not affect your privacy. And you look at that grid pattern. This grid's in the top. That's called plaza. That plaza grid pattern is very prevalent in the Craftsman style. And look at that nice ceiling fan. All right. Oh, look at this one in the great room. Like that fan. Anyhow, you got 3 pendant lights right over your island. Big, oversized island. You notice the island is offset as a different color. The porch, you got all that painting in there. That's just on the island. I went with just a solid white and clean lines on that backsplash. Backsplash in nice gray cabinets, and don't mind the blue tape. There are a few touch-ups we have to do. That crown mold is called a cove crown, which is another simplicity, but that's real popular with the clean line look of all this craftsman style that we're doing nowadays. And they've got can lights, recessed lights, and that's called shiplap or nickel gap, shiplap ceiling, and it runs a whole length here. And that does a great job of separating the space with a different ceiling. It's open, but you've got separations in the space. Yeah. Let's just take a look. Let's step out on this porch, take a look. This is a really cool lot. I think it's a good number of acres, and you got all these woods surrounding you. There's somebody building up there, but you got a good stand of trees between you and your neighbors. It's going to be beautiful, and I'm getting a black door. All right, so that's a kitchen area. Let's take a look in here. And this is a luxury vinyl plank floor. Same as this, but we got a different one. This is a herringbone pattern. Actually straight planks, but that's the way that comes. So that made a nice accent in here. As you hook up for your washer dryer, of course there's going to be a shelf above there coming. This cool laundry chute out of the master closet, so I can put the laundry right there on that shelf. And that's a custom made shelf. Again, there's going to be shelving up there. Oh, this is your Craftsman style trim. You just have a header. It's a 1x6 header. It's just a 1x4 and then 1x8 for the baseboard, and a 2-panel door, 2-panel square door. Actually, it's 3-panel on the wider ones, like here in the garage. Take a look out in the garage. Now this is an oversized garage. If you made it a front entry, you could make it a 3-car, but people with big trucks like a nice deep garage. Plenty of room to put a workbench or different belonging here. Plenty of room to park 2 cars. Plenty of room for an extra fridge or freezer, or over there, another alcove. You could put the motorcycle, bicycles, and that's what people are liking. They're really liking that dream garage. And we went with an 18-foot wide, 18x8 door, so you can fit whatever truck, whatever you need on top of there with roof racks, etc. Again, beautiful concrete work done by our friends at Lake Norman Concrete. And we do like to finish our garages whenever possible. I like it to be sheetrocked. I like it all painted, because this is like the first thing you see when you come home. And if you have just open studs, or it can be a bit of an eyesore. So that's our philosophy on that. And these are LED lights instead of fluorescents. We rarely put in a fluorescent anymore. Just about all LEDs. Okay, so let's go back to our kitchen and go check out our other back porch. That's like the Four Seasons room. And this one's just a porch. Oh, and they've got the door with the blinds. You can close the blinds, open the blinds, lift the blinds up. That's kind of a cool feature. All right, once again, knotty pine ceiling. They got 4 fluorescent can lights, and they are awful proud of this railing, but it's just a lot nicer to have maintenance free. And with steps, put a nice concrete pad down there so you're not stepping off into the mud. And that's the way we came in at the beginning of the video. So let's go back and take a look at the bedrooms. We'll start with bedroom 2 and 3. Once again, to separate that space, they do have the barn door, although I suspect it will be open most of the time, but it's still a nice visual. All right. Nice unique pattern on the floor. And of course a comfort height commode. I needed a double bypass semi-frameless door and fiberglass shower. But look at that dark chrome, gives it a nice offset. You got a seat, you got another shelf. And you've got, one of my favorite features is that transom window just above to let in natural light. Keep privacy. That's a cool kind of country fixture. Kind of offset heights on the Edison bulbs. And there's a granite sink. And we went with drawers. I like that light gray vanity. Anyway, bedroom over here. Nice view. My Craftsman style doors. I do like the square accent on the knobs. And just a basic closet organizer. Although the shelves are not exactly as we wanted them, so we are going to have to do some work. A little bit of refiguring there. Bedroom 3. Pretty much the same thing. We like to wire our back bedrooms for ceiling fans. Even if you don't put a ceiling fan in there, it'll be set up for one. You'll have the extra switches. All right, let's go back and check out the master bedroom. All right, here's our entrance to our master bedroom. Got lots of natural light, lots of windows, again, mini blinds. Here they can look out over that great backyard and that back porch out there. We did a single tray ceiling. So you've got the cove crown and both, and they put in 4 can lights, and that's, once again, the tray ceilings, we're doing more and more clean lines, but that's a like airplane prop kind of fan with that nice triangle in there. That's a pretty unique piece. Really do like that. Oh, look at this barn door. Nice herringbone on there, herringbone pattern. And the master bath. The brick pattern, 1/3 brick pattern with a 12 by 24 tile. And they went with chrome in here. Look at those. Those are 8-inch spread. I like those. That really goes with the clean line. She really pulled this together well with the whole theme. Changed things up just enough, but kept it. And there's seated glass. 2 triple light seated glass lights. You have a lot of Edison bulbs in here. I like that big plate glass mirror. Now these accents, they still need to be painted wood, but that's kind of they wanted to, where this tile ends, it just kind of, see right there? So let's get that in there, that'll clean it up, and that'll give it that finished edge look. Oh, and there's our towel hook. And we're gonna have a piece of glass here, but this is a 0 entry shower, so you walk in right on this herringbone pattern with a nice square. And you got your controls over here, so you can control your shower. Got a grab bar, and you get the wand and the rain head. It's pretty cool. And we call that the can fan. That's a fan built into with a recessed light. Just an extra linen closet, but it's nice to have the linen closet where you're getting wet. Now this tub, I like that transom window. And you've got privacy. And that tub, let's go back here and take a look at this tub. A lot of people are doing a freestanding tub. But I almost like it just like this. And you got that nice tile surround, gives you plenty of that elegant. When you're sitting in there, you've got this half wall, so you're not feeling so exposed. And you get the wand and the sprayer to help keep things clean. So, depends how much you take tubs, how often you take baths. Everybody's got a different philosophy on a tub. And there's your commode room. So that's about it for the main house. So you got a nice sized master closet. Once again, somehow, here's a laundry chute right here. So you want to throw stuff into the laundry room, push it right through there. That's pretty cool. But somehow signals got crossed, and the employee that was at the accessory shop that did the shelves ended up leaving, and we got someone else, and somehow signals got crossed, so her closet didn't get done the way she had originally ordered it, so we have to come back and rework things, but not a big deal. If that's the worst that happens, it's very fixable. Now this is like a bonus room, but it's not finished. Right now it's a storage room. So I got a nice set of stairs. That's a finished set of stairs. It's still got the protectors on it. So they finish this in the future. You know, they've got a nice set of stairs already built in. They don't have to be tearing that out. I come up here. Now this is just storage area. Just extra plywood on the floor for storage. But they've got a room to the right and to the left. I guess you could make that a room or a closet if you're finishing it off. Same with this here. Oh, that big stick-built roof. I love stick framing over a truss. Trusses just, sometimes they're the best thing to use, but most of the time I'm not all that excited about them. Anyway, look at this great big finished storage room now, but you have plenty of room to make this playroom, bonus room. And look at these big laminated beams. Had to use to support all this whole room. But this place is huge up here. Nice unfinished bonus room. And that's where we put all our leftover tile. Spare parts for the clients. Anyway, that is a storage room from heaven. I hope you enjoyed our walkthrough here. Our contact information is below. We do have plans available for sale if any of these our home plans appeal to you. We'd be happy to work with you on that. So, once again, if you found this useful or interesting, the like button, we won't get upset at you. And thank you for visiting our channel. And thank you for your interest in our homes.